Hi, my name is M.D.ABDUL RAHMAN. I born and brought up in Hyderabad. Have done recently electronics and communication from ISL Engineering College. I'm 2024 pass out. So I have joined Jspider in the month of September, that is 27 September 2024. At the time of joining, I do not have any knowledge about Java, SQL, and aptitude too. After taking the course of Java full stack development, my trainers guide me and help me for my future to get a job in IT sector. So I want to thanks to my trainer names such as Revan sir, Prem sir, Shiva sir, and I want to also thanks to my HR, Sandhya ma'am and Monica ma'am, to give me a guidance and support. And I have also given many mock interviews. I have also given many presentations, and I have also given many tests for upskilling myself in this Java full stack development course. Thank you.